Good morning, people. Welcome back to Expulse Travel Diary. And at the outset, I am bidding farewell to Manipur, and you can enjoy the beautiful flower plants. Yesterday it was raining, and today the weather seems to be fine and the sky is clear. And I suppose because of the rain yesterday, I will be saved from dusty road when I hit the real highway beyond the city. Let's keep exploring. It's going to be a very thrilling ride for me. From my experience, it takes about 14 hours of engaging ride. Apart from that, if I stop for food and drinks, and if I take extra time, that will be reflected on my total journey time. At the moment, I am fresh. Today I got about 6 hours sleep, and that is great enough for this long trip. When I came, I slept about 3 hours, and that was quite challenging for me, as I have to be alert in those 14 hours of ride. Guys, can you see the off-road king there? Shaktiman. It is making road wherever it wants to go. This is another legend. Climbs hill where no one can imagine. There are beautiful paddy fields on both the sides. This is one place that usually I don't miss vlogging because of the beauty of the nature. So behind this paddy field you can see huge mountains, and at the foothill a plain area for the people to cultivate rice. Guys, this is before reaching Senapati town. Road extension, and this is untarred road, so when the truck goes you can see the effect. A lot of dust. Exactly, it is 7 a.m. started at 5:30 from Imphal city, so it takes about 1.5 hours without traffic and with a engaging ride. Wow, so pleasant to be here. One interesting thing about riding bike is, as you see the place, you also feel the weather in your body. You can feel it, smell it, you can sense it. Guys, it is 7:29. Gonna be 8 a.m. and I'm already at Maram Center. Takes exactly 2 hours. Another 30 minutes from Maram Center, and here we are at Mau Gate. The advantage of morning ride is less traffic, no pressure, and the journey is smooth. Clear air, a lot of advantages. I think coming from Imphal side is much better than coming from Guwahati side, because when you have the strength and the energy, you are able to cross most difficult areas. Welcome to Nagaland. This is fun time. Welcome to Kohima. It's holiday today. The road is practically empty. Good for me. And shortly from here I'll be taking a small diversion. Look at those flower pots. The concept is very good. And the painting as well. Yeah, we're going to take this slope. Yes. This is only starting, guys. Yeah, see. Yes. Guys, can you see those houses there? I think today is the most chill day in all my rides. Passing through Kohima without traffic. Look at Dimapur now. How empty it is. All the shops closed. Starting from Imphal till now. So far so good. Look at the cloud is very dark. I took off my GoPro and I put it back, and again the drizzling has started again. However, the good thing is that there is no more dust in the air and the weather is much better now. No more heat wave. Hello people, it is 6:15. Already in Guwahati city, 6 mile. Thank you for being with me. I hope you enjoyed. Happy to be back in Guwahati. So guys, see you all. I had a very good journey. Take care. See you in the next vlog.